Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make you very delicious breakfast. It's called Semolina. So what we have in the pan, about 3 to 4 tablespoons butter. We have to warm it, which I already a little bit melted. And then we need 1 cup semolina. And what you have to do is, we have to brown it just 2 seconds, like a minute. When I say second, just like a little bit needs to be browned. If you don't like to put butter or anything, you still can do it, but make sure that you have to mix it so it doesn't burn. It will become red color. And then over here, I put a water to warm it, which is exactly 3 cups. And then what we need for this, we need cheese that we have to put later on top. We need a little bit walnut. We need a little bit pine nut if you have, but I don't have it, so we can even put pistachio. But for seasoning, we have to put cinnamon and some sugar. You can see the color is changing a little bit, like a pinkish color. You can lower the fire a little bit. Now, slowly, we have to put the water. Let's turn this fire off. And when you put it, you make sure you put little by little and mix it so it doesn't get lumped. Just like when you do the flour. Make sure while you're putting, you mix it. We don't want lumps into your breakfast. Don't worry about the water because it's going to evaporate very quickly. It's going to absorb and it's going to get thicker. Just mix it so all the lumps goes away. Mix like this, and then we're going to put a sugar. Sugar, it's optional as much as you want your sweetness. So this is, I think it's plenty, and because we're going to eat with the cheese, at least about 3/4 cup. I think it's pretty good. You can put 1 cup if you wish. Then we're going to raise higher it a little bit. It takes just few minutes to cook. And let it boil for a few minutes. And when you start to see the bubble, another 1 to 2 minutes and your breakfast will be ready. I have to say, even my birds, they love to eat this food. Every time that I do breakfast, he'll just jump on me and come to eat. So this is how you serve it. And this is really filling dish it is. It's delicious and it will fill you up very quickly. And I want to say that when you make this dish, you have to eat while it's cooked warm. If you leave it, it will get harder. So you can put cheese, any kind of cheese you like. You can decorate if you want. Walnut if you like. You can spread pistachio on top. Or you can just put only walnut and little pistachio together. Or you just put only cheese on it. You just put little cinnamon on it. You present this on the table with the cheese, olives, cup of coffee, cup of milk. It's very easy, very simple, and very delicious. I hope you'll do this. You will love it. Every morning you can do this breakfast. I hope you will try it and you will like it. And in case if you loved it and you enjoyed it, please subscribe my channel. I thank you very much. Bye-bye.